laundry room, and again, our goal here is not to check the appliances, to check to see if stuff is connected, to see if it looks like it's leaking. We're not checking if they're working per se, because I don't know if this is actually doing a good job.
Wait. You didn't bring dirty laundry to be washed right now?
No, I learned my lesson. You know, a while back, you know, first couple inspections, I said the washer machine was working. You know, I turned it on, I turned it off, everything was functioning. People moved in and they kept calling me up complaining that their clothes wasn't washing, the stains weren't coming out. The washer machine would go through a full cycle, but it wasn't performing up to their expectations. So now we don't do washer dryer inspections, we do, you know, laundry room. Is it connected? They have laundry in it. Does it turn on? It turns on. We'll let it run for a second. You know, again, they have stuff in it, so we would never turn this on no matter what if they have stuff in it, because we don't want their clothes being damaged. You know, does it look like it's leaking? It looks like they have a leak here. You know, is this functioning? Are the water on? Is the electric connected? Do they have a pan under it? We're looking for general stuff, but we're not checking appliances.